Welcome to Remote Learning. There are a few applications that we need to explore before we can get started. The first one is Schoology. Upon opening the Schoology app, you will see a sidebar with different information. Here you can check for messages, view notifications, and see any requests from fellow users. The Home tab and the Course tab will both take you to the course dashboard, where you can view all of your courses. If you touch the tab in the left-hand corner, you can return to the sidebar. You can also use the sidebar to view your graded assignments and to view the calendar. You should check the calendar each day to make sure that you've completed all of your course assignments. Now that you know where to start, let's take a look inside your course. All of the work for this class is located in folders. We will complete the lessons in order from the first folder down. You can see that the first folder is Visual Rhetoric. That is where we will start. You will click on the pencil and paper icon to open an assignment. They will also appear on the right-hand side of the screen. I recommend opening the folder and not just the assignment from the calendar, because there may be supplemental materials in each folder. This course requires some additional applications you will need to make sure that you have: Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. You will also need to download Google Slides and Google Drive. I have set up the assignments to link directly to OneDrive and Google Drive. To open the assignment, you will select My Document, and it will open in the proper application. The first time you open an application, you may need to log in with your school email address and password. There are videos embedded in the first couple assignments to explain how to complete the assignment and how to turn it into Schoology. You are now ready to begin the first assignment. If you do have questions, please leave them as a comment in the questions discussion box or email me directly.